Welcome back to Caravan Nest, your ultimate destination for exploring the world's most luxurious and extraordinary motorhomes. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive journey through the top 7 luxurious motorhomes of 2026. Vehicles that redefine comfort, style, and innovation on the road. From futuristic double-decker designs to Hollywood celebrity mansions on wheels, each of these motorhomes is a masterpiece of engineering, design, and sheer extravagance. Whether it's the German precision of the Volkner Performance S, the futuristic elegance of the Palazzo Superior, or the celebrity-style luxury of Anderson's The Heat, you're about to witness some of the most jaw-dropping homes on wheels ever created. Stay tuned as we explore every detail, from sleek exteriors and opulent interiors to high-tech features and rooftop terraces. These are motorhomes you'll have to see to believe. Let's hit the road and dive straight into the ultimate luxury experience.
Welcome back to Caravan Nest, your home for exploring the most luxurious motorhomes in the world. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Volkner Mobil Performance S, a German masterpiece that redefines what it means to travel in style. At first glance, the Performance S doesn't look like just another RV. It looks like a private jet on wheels. Its sleek aerodynamic body, polished chrome decals, and futuristic lighting make it stand out wherever it goes. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The interior feels more like a 5-star hotel suite than a motorhome. You'll find handcrafted leather seating, real wood accents, and ambient LED lighting that creates a warm and elegant atmosphere. The open-plan living space flows seamlessly from the lounge to the dining area, with a state-of-the-art kitchen featuring high-end appliances, perfect for cooking gourmet meals on the road. And of course, the bedroom is pure luxury. With a king-size bed, premium linens, and panoramic windows, you'll wake up to stunning views every morning. The bathroom rivals that of luxury apartments, offering a rain shower and spa-like finishes. But the Volkner Performance S has one signature feature that sets it apart: the hidden garage. With just a push of a button, the lower deck opens up to reveal a space designed to carry your luxury car, like a Porsche or Ferrari, right inside the motorhome. Imagine pulling up to a destination, stepping out of your RV, and driving off in your supercar. That's the level of exclusivity we're talking about. With a price tag that can exceed $2 million, the 2026 Volkner Mobil Performance S isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement, combining German precision, ultimate comfort, and unmatched prestige.
If you thought the Volkner Performance S was the peak of luxury, get ready to be amazed. At number 2, we have one of the most futuristic and extravagant motorhomes ever created, the Marchi EleMMent Palazzo Superior 2026. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a spaceship on wheels. The Palazzo Superior is instantly recognizable with its unique rounded shape, panoramic windshield, and aerodynamic body that looks more like a luxury yacht gliding down the highway. Its design is unlike anything else in the RV world, making it the ultimate head-turner. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of pure opulence. The living area feels like a modern penthouse suite, complete with oversized leather seating, a 42-inch flat-screen entertainment system, and ambient mood lighting. The interior blends futuristic curves with high-end finishes, creating a one-of-a-kind atmosphere. But what really sets the Palazzo Superior apart is the Sky Lounge. With the push of a button, a rooftop terrace rises hydraulically from the motorhome, giving you a private lounge in the sky. Imagine sipping champagne, watching the sunset, and enjoying a 360-degree view from the roof of your luxury motorhome. That's the level of extravagance we're talking about. The master bedroom is no less impressive, offering a king-size bed, luxury linens, and spa-style bathroom with designer fixtures. Every corner screams exclusivity and modern elegance. And, of course, with a price tag of around $3 million, the Marchi Mobi EleMMent Palazzo Superior 2026 is not just a vehicle, it's a status symbol for the elite. For celebrities, billionaires, and those who demand only the best, this is the motorhome that truly defines the future of luxury travel.
At number 3 on our list of the most luxurious motorhomes of 2026, we have a true party palace on wheels, the Futuria Double Decker Motorhome. This German engineering marvel is all about combining travel, comfort, and entertainment into one futuristic design. At first glance, the Futuria looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its bold, sleek lines, oversized windows, and two-story design make it one of the most eye-catching motorhomes in the world. But what really makes it special is what's inside. On the lower deck, you'll find a stylish and spacious living area. Leather sofas, LED ambient lighting, and a fully equipped kitchen create the perfect environment for luxury travel. It's not just practical, it's designed with elegance in mind, making it feel more like a modern apartment than an RV. Head upstairs and the real magic begins. The upper level features a rooftop terrace complete with a jacuzzi hot tub. Yes, you heard that right, a jacuzzi on top of a motorhome. Imagine driving to a scenic destination, then relaxing with friends in bubbling warm water while enjoying panoramic views. It's the definition of luxury on the road. The Futuria also comes with a built-in garage, perfect for carrying sports cars or even motorbikes, ensuring that you can bring along your favorite toys wherever you travel. With its futuristic design, spacious layout, and unbelievable rooftop lounge, this motorhome is built for those who want their adventures to be unforgettable. With a price tag that can easily reach millions, the 2026 Futuria Double Decker Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a rolling luxury penthouse and party hub, making it one of the most extraordinary RVs in existence.
Number 4, we step into Hollywood's world of luxury with one of the most iconic celebrity motorhomes ever built, the Anderson Mobil Estate's The Heat. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a 2-story mansion on wheels designed for some of the biggest stars in Hollywood. Anderson Mobil Estates are famous for crafting custom luxury RVs for A-list actors like Will Smith, Brad Pitt, and Vin Diesel. And The Heat is one of their most extravagant creations. From the outside, it looks massive, an elegant double-decker design with a sleek white finish and towering presence. But it's when you step inside that the real magic unfolds. The lower deck features a spacious lounge with plush leather seating, polished wood flooring, and an entertainment system that rivals any high-end apartment. There's also a fully equipped kitchen and dining area, giving it the feel of a private home rather than a vehicle. Head upstairs and you'll find the real showstopper. The second floor expands outward, creating a luxurious penthouse-style space with multiple rooms. This area can be customized as a private office, movie production studio, or even a VIP lounge, perfect for Hollywood stars who need to work and relax while traveling between film sets. The bedroom suite is pure elegance, featuring a king-sized bed, panoramic windows, and spa-like bathroom with high-end finishes. Everything is designed for maximum comfort and exclusivity. With a price tag well over $2 million, the Anderson Mobil Estate's The Heat is more than just a motorhome, it's a mobile palace built for the elite. For celebrities who demand privacy, luxury, and functionality on the road, this double-decker mansion is the ultimate choice.
At number 5 on our list of the most luxurious motorhomes of 2026, we have the Newmar King Air 2026, a masterpiece of American craftsmanship and elegance. If you're looking for a motorhome that combines style, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, this one truly delivers. The exterior of the King Air is sleek and commanding, with flowing lines, glossy paint finishes, and LED lighting accents that make it instantly recognizable on the road. Its aerodynamic design isn't just for looks. It helps with fuel efficiency while providing a smooth, stable ride. Step inside and you'll immediately feel the difference. The living area is spacious, featuring premium leather furniture, polished hardwood floors, and a modern entertainment system that rivals any luxury apartment. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the interior, highlighting the elegant finishes and attention to detail. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with high-end appliances, granite countertops, and ample storage. You can cook gourmet meals just like at home while enjoying a view through the expansive windows. The master suite offers a king-size bed with luxurious linens, soft ambient lighting, and a spa-inspired bathroom featuring a large shower, premium fixtures, and stylish cabinetry. Every element of the King Air is designed for comfort and elegance. One of its standout features is the state-of-the-art automation system, controlling lighting, temperature, and entertainment with a single touch. You can personalize your environment and enjoy convenience like never before. With a price tag in the multi-million-dollar range, the Newmar King Air 2026 isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of luxury travel. Perfect for those who want comfort, style, and performance wherever the road takes them.
At number 6, we have a motorhome that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Mercedes-Benz Vision Home Van 2026. This concept vehicle redefines modern luxury on the road, blending futuristic design with comfort and cutting-edge technology. From the outside, the Vision Home Van is stunning. Its sleek, aerodynamic body, smooth curves, and signature Mercedes styling make it an instant head-turner. LED accent lights and panoramic windows give it a modern, high-tech appearance, while its compact but spacious design ensures functionality without sacrificing style. Step inside and you'll enter a world of intelligent luxury. The interior is minimalistic yet elegant, featuring multifunctional furniture, modular seating, and smart storage solutions that maximize space. Every surface is crafted with premium materials, from polished wood accents to soft-touch leather. The open-plan living area includes a lounge that converts seamlessly into a dining or workspace, perfect for travelers on the move. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped with high-end appliances and clever storage solutions, allowing you to prepare meals efficiently. The sleeping area is designed for comfort, with a cozy bed and soft ambient lighting that creates a relaxing atmosphere after a long day on the road. One of the standout features is the advanced smart technology integration, including app-controlled lighting, climate control, and entertainment systems. This futuristic motorhome adapts to your lifestyle, making travel effortless and luxurious. With a futuristic look, high-tech features, and the prestige of the Mercedes-Benz brand, the Vision Home Van 2026 is perfect for modern adventurers who demand style, comfort, and innovation. It's not just a motorhome, it's a vision of the future of luxury travel.
Finally, at number 7, we have the Prevost H345 VIP 2026, a motorhome that defines ultimate comfort and first-class travel. This American luxury coach is a favorite amongst celebrities, executives, and travelers who demand the very best in both performance and style. From the outside, the H345 VIP is instantly impressive. Its sleek, aerodynamic profile, glossy exterior, and bold design details make it stand out on any road. LED headlights and polished chrome accents add to its commanding presence. But the real magic is inside. Step into the interior and you're greeted by a spacious, meticulously designed living area. Plush leather seating, handcrafted wood finishes, and large panoramic windows create an elegant, open atmosphere. The attention to detail is evident in every corner, from ambient lighting to luxury upholstery and premium flooring.
The kitchen is fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, stylish cabinetry, and granite countertops. You can prepare gourmet meals on the go, just like in a high-end home. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, designed for comfort and sophistication. The master suite is nothing short of spectacular. A king-size bed, luxurious linens, and a spa-inspired bathroom create the perfect retreat after a day on the road. Additional seating areas, entertainment systems, and advanced climate control make every journey relaxing and enjoyable. One of the standout features of the Prevost H345 VIP 2026 is its superior engineering and ride quality. Built on a coach chassis, it handles like a luxury vehicle while providing unmatched stability and safety. With a multi-million-dollar price tag, this motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a rolling mansion for those who want the pinnacle of comfort, style, and prestige. The Prevost H345 VIP 2026 proves that traveling in first-class luxury is no longer limited to airplanes. It can happen on the road.
And that wraps up our tour of the top 7 luxurious motorhomes of 2026. From futuristic double-deckers to Hollywood-style mobile mansions, these incredible vehicles prove that luxury on the road knows no limits. Which one was your favorite? Comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this journey through ultimate comfort and innovation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Caravan Nest for more amazing motorhome tours and luxury travel inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure where the road meets luxury.